Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Ali. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my new custom built PC from Overclockers UK. I've always built my own PCs in the past, and that's when I've been on a really strict budget, and it's really helped me out cut corners. Like some of these PCs you see on Amazon for like £400–500, you can get way more better value by building it yourself. However, this time I've had a little bit more to play with. This video is not about me flexing my money or whatever, so I'm gonna leave pricing completely out of this video. If you guys want to work out how much I spent, then feel free. I'll leave the specs below in the description. But this year I've had a little bit more to play with, so I've been able to get a company to build my own PC, and the benefits of that is obviously a warranty. So if you do enjoy this video, remember to give the video a like and subscribe. Hopefully it'll help you out if you're thinking about ordering from Overclockers, or maybe you want a pre-build. I'm certainly very excited. This is completely new to me, and yeah, I just want to show you guys the experience of buying a pre-build. So in terms of how I got here, I basically phoned up Overclockers, explained what I needed the computer for, and it's VFX work, so Houdini, Maya, all that kind of stuff. And they pointed me in the right direction of stuff. I already had an idea what I wanted as well, and I'm fairly happy with how the PC looks on paper. I think I've done a fairly good job. But that's all I can do. It's now all up to them. I'm super nervous, and that's one weird thing about a pre-build. You don't know what it's going to look like. Well, custom build, obviously a pre-build, you do know what it's going to look like, but for a custom build, you have no idea what it's going to look like until it's shipped. And I'm slightly nervous, but I've got faith in these guys. I think they'll do a good job. Just had a package come from Amazon, and it's not the PC. I completely forgot that I ordered a package from Amazon, and I was very confused for a second when he just handed me this, but yeah, we've still got another half an hour until it's delivered, so yeah. So in terms of delivery, guys, looks like Overclockers uses DPD for most of their orders, as well. That's what I could see from the website anyway. Mine was actually shipped next day, so it took them a couple of weeks to build, and then they shipped it next day, which is pretty nice of them. So yeah, if you're ordering from Overclockers, definitely recommend getting the app, because it shows you, how far away your driver is, the delivery time it will be there, and yeah, definitely recommend getting the app. Just to show you guys the website as well. So here's their website. They sell a lot of things. I've bought PC components from them in the past, and I've had no problem. Yeah, you can build your own custom PCs by using their online configurator, and play with your heart's content of what you want. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is just me solely reviewing my experience with them, and hopefully it'll help anyone out who has ordered from them. If you're wondering what that was, by the way, it's basically one of these cleaners for your computer. It basically saves a lot of money in the long run than buying standard air spray bottles. I've been meant to get one of these for a long time, but never got round to it. And yeah, I'm really happy that I've finally got it. Okay, guys, it's finally here. Really well packaged. Not entirely sure how I'm going to be able to get this in my house. Kind of looks like a washing machine unboxing. Gotta tell you guys, this is really well packaged. It's double boxed, and it's like you've ordered some kind of weapon or something. It's just absolutely amazing, the packaging is. So far, really impressed. Okay guys, so when you buy a pre-built PC, they'll give you the packaging of the parts that have obviously been put together and built for you. So here we have the motherboard, the graphics card box, the system setup, and looks like in the components for the case box, they've also maybe put like the CPU box and stuff, but I haven't actually looked inside there yet. Alright guys, here we have the PC. Bit of branding there from Overclockers. They fill it with this kind of packaging that expands some kind of chemical, and that keeps the components safe. It forms to them. that was smooth. So they also give you a little bit of a checklist as well, just to show it's gone through its testing, which is really, really nice. So as you can see, they've done a little checklist here. Now, I don't think it's failed at all, which is pretty nice. Shows you even its maximum temperature. Again, that's pretty cool. So yeah, very nice. Okay, gonna try and do this one hand without breaking it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this two hands because I really don't want to break this. So yeah guys, so if I'm really impressed with the case, it's the Phanteks P600S Eclipse, which is really nice. It comes with some really unique features like this, for example. You can actually take off this and you can get more air to your computer, or you can just leave it on like so. It just sticks on like a magnet. It's very nice. There's also one at the top as well, so you just take it off. Then more air can get to your PC, or you can just put it back on and then it's fine. Really digging this kind of Star Wars kind of stormtrooper look here, really like it. Cable management inside looks pretty good, better than what I could do anyway. I've always been pretty bad with cable management. You can't really see it at the moment because of the reflection, but I will be showing you more of the inside in a bit. To open the case, really easy actually. You just literally open it like that. It swings out. Really nice tempered glass. I don't really want to turn this into a case review, so I won't go on for too much longer. Here I was wondering what this kind of little ribbon is here. I thought it was a cable management problem then. I literally thought they were using ribbons for cable management. I was a bit concerned, but actually all it is a pull tab. So you pull it open like so, and then you can get the other side open as well, which swings, which is nice. Slams shut. And yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get it set up, turn it on, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's turned on. Alright guys, now for the moment of truth. Got it all set up, plugged into my monitors, etc. But first of all, let's not make the schoolboy error. Let's make sure we turn it on first of all. And then also at the back, don't forget to turn on a PC at the back, otherwise you'll think it's broke. So if anything lights up, yeah, it's lighting up on the motherboard there, so that tells us that, well, there's some power at least. Now for the moment of truth. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice, bit of RGB theme there. The AIO there, also lighting up. Yeah, that's it really. I didn't really go for anything too crazy. It's not really my kind of theme. I'm going to set these to a white rather than an RGB because it's really not my thing. I wanted something really clean. You can't really see it on the camera because of that reflection. I'm going to try and make the room darker and then I'll show you some more. So what's the hardware that I chose for my PC? Well, first of all, it's important to understand I'm a VFX artist, and so therefore I'm not a gamer and I don't really need to choose an amazing top-of-the-range graphics card. Graphics cards are quite important, and especially for things like GPU rendering, but I don't do GPU rendering and I don't really need the latest graphics card. So what I went for was the motherboard X570 Prime P from Asus. Really nice chipset and works really well with the Ryzen 3950X CPU that I chose. I then went for the Corsair Vengeance 32 Hz 64 gig of RAM. Then went for a 750 gold plus watt power supply from Corsair, which is really nice, fully modular. I then went for two SSDs. One was a M.2 and the other one was just a standard SSD, and then I went for a hard drive. The graphics card was a 1660 Super by Gigabyte, which is a pretty entry-level graphics card, but it will do the job for what I need it to do. So I've now set up my PC, guys. It's all working amazingly. Overall, would I recommend Overclockers? Absolutely. They did a great job on the build, and they packaged it well. They set it all up for me. It even came with things like antivirus installed, came with all the drivers installed. The only thing I would say was they didn't give me the CPU box, but I'm sure that was just a genuine error on their part. I would have liked to have that. But apart from that, can't really fault them, guys. So if you are looking for an amazing custom built PC to be built for you, I'll leave their link down below in the description. Go check them out. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.